Geometric Sequences by Rachel and Nikki.
A geometric sequence is a sequence of numbers that are multiplied or divided by the same number each time, also known as the common ratio.
This is the formula we will be using to find the nth term in a geometric sequence. A sub n equals a sub 1 times r to the nth power. A sub 1 is the first term in the sequence. R equals the common ratio. N equals the nth term.
In our first example, the numbers in our sequence are 3, 6, 12, 24, and 48. To know which number goes with which term, draw out a chart. Therefore, 3 would be the first term, 6 would be the second term, 12 would be the third term, and so on.
In this sequence, a sub 1, or the first term, is 3. R, which equals the common ratio, is 2. We know this because 3 times 2 equals 6, 6 times 2 equals 12, 12 times 2 equals 24, 24 times 2 equals 48.
So far, our formula for this sequence is 3 times 2 to the nth power.
To check your formula, pick an nth term. For example, 2. 3 times 2 squared equals 12. However, this is the answer to the third term. Therefore, we know that the exponent has to be n minus 1. We know this because when you multiplied 3 times 2 squared, you had one term. So if you do 3 times 2 to the 2 minus 1, you get 1, which gives you the correct answer of 6.
Now that we know the equation for this specific geometric sequence, we can find any term. For example, if we wanted to find the 12th term of the sequence, we would do 3 times 2 to the 12 minus 1 power, or 3 times 2 to the 11th power. This gives you 6,144. Therefore, 6,144 is the 12th term of the sequence.
In this next example, the numbers in the sequence are 144, 72, 36, 18, and 9. Again, draw your chart so you know which number goes with which term in the sequence.
A sub 1, or the first term in this sequence, is 144. The common ratio is 1/2. We know this because you can either divide each number by 2 or multiply by 1/2.
So far, the equation for this geometric sequence is 144 times 1/2 to the nth power.
To test out this equation, we will solve for the third term. 144 times 1/2 to the third power. The answer to this is 18. However, this is the answer to the fourth term. Therefore, the exponent needs to be n plus 1. The new equation for this sequence is 144 times 1/2 to the n plus 1 power.
To check our work, we will retest the third term. 144 times 1/2 to the 3 plus 1, or the fourth power. The answer to this is 36.
Now that we know the equation to this sequence, we can find any term. For example, if we wanted to find the seventh term, we would do 144 times 1/2 to the 7 plus 1 power, or 144 times 1/2 to the 8th power. This equals 0.5625, or 9/16. Therefore, 9/16 is the seventh term.
In conclusion, you can use the formula a sub n equals a sub 1 times r to the nth power when working with geometric sequences.
Thanks for watching!